Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam download stuck at 100% not installing. A Steam download reaching 100% but refusing to install can be confusing because it appears that the download has completed successfully. In many cases, however, Steam is still trying to verify files, prepare the installation, repair library information, or communicate with its content servers before it can finish the installation process. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try that often resolve the problem without requiring you to reinstall the game. When you first open Steam, begin by checking the download server being used by the client. Click the Steam button located in the upper left corner of the application window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then navigate to Downloads. Within the Download section, locate the Download Region setting. Steam uses different content servers around the world to distribute game files and updates. If the server assigned to your region is overloaded or experiencing issues, Steam may have difficulty completing the final installation process even after the download reaches 100%. Choose a download region that is geographically close to your location. After selecting the new region, Steam will ask you to restart the client. Allow Steam to restart so the new server settings can take effect. Once Steam reopens, check whether the installation proceeds normally. If the game is still stuck at 100%, the next step is to examine the Steam library where the game is being installed. Return to Steam Settings. Then open Storage. The Storage section displays the drives and library folders used by Steam. Select the drive where the affected game is installed. Next, click the three dots icon associated with that storage location. From the drop-down menu, select Repair Library. Steam will scan the selected library folder and attempt to fix issues related to permissions, library configuration, missing files, or damaged installation data. Library problems are a common reason why Steam can download a game successfully but struggle to complete the installation phase. Allow the repair process to finish completely before testing the installation again. If the issue persists, the final step is to clear Steam's download cache. Return to Steam, then to Settings, then to Downloads. Then locate Clear Download Cache. Before performing this step, make sure the download has actually reached 100%, as clearing the cache during an active download may interrupt the process. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm the action. Steam will restart and rebuild its temporary download data. Over time, corrupted cache information can interfere with downloads, updates, and installations. Clearing the cache forces Steam to create fresh download data and often resolves issues that occur near the end of the installation process. After Steam restarts, sign back in if necessary and check whether the game finishes installing. It is also important to understand that reaching 100% does not always mean the installation is complete. After the download finishes, Steam may still be verifying downloaded files, unpacking compressed game data, allocating storage space, applying updates, installing prerequisites, finalizing game files. For large games, these tasks can take several minutes, or even longer depending on your storage device. To summarize, fixing a Steam download that is stuck at 100% but not installing begins by opening Steam, Settings, Downloads, and changing the download region to a nearby server, then restarting Steam. If the issue remains, navigate to Storage, select the affected drive, click the three-dot menu, and choose Repair Library. Finally, if the download has already reached 100%, return to Downloads, select Clear Download Cache, and confirm the restart. These steps help resolve server communication issues, repair library problems, and eliminate corrupted cache data that may prevent Steam from completing the installation. And that's how to fix a Steam download that is stuck at 100% but not installing. By changing the download region, repairing the Steam library, and clearing the download cache after the download is complete, you can resolve many of the most common causes of stalled installations and get your game up and running again. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.